Kia ora, Winton School. Welcome to our first video assembly for 2022. I'm your school president, Isaac. I am looking forward to presenting assemblies for the year.
Hello everyone, I am your Vice President Charlotte Mackerick, and like Isaac, I'm very excited about the year ahead.
Unfortunately, we can still not hold assemblies with the whole school together, but we can celebrate all the things Winton School has done.
To start our first assembly, Room 13 will share our learning with you. We have some other awesome news to start the year. In case you haven't heard, Mrs. Flack and a group of students competed at the Otago Southland Agri-Kids competition.
The best part is they finished third and now are heading into the national finals in July.
Well done, Brody, Maddie and Hunter. We are super proud of you.
A big thank you to Mrs. Flack for organising our competitors.
One of the best things about our role is meeting new students. We have 2 new entries started recently in Mrs. Gilliland's class.
It's great to see our new 5-year-olds enduring school. Now we will see who has received a rare award this week.
Miss McCliskey, Ruma Te Ko Mā Toru.
Mrs. Mackenzie, Ruma Te Ko Mā Roa.
Miss Hodson, Ruma Te Ko Mā Tahi.
Mrs. Flack, Ruma Te Ko.
Mr. Reading, Ruma Iwa.
Mrs. Riley and Mrs. Davis, Ruma Waru.
Mrs. Eade, Ruma Fitu.
Mrs. O'Neill, Ruma Onu.
Mrs. Collett, Ruma Rima.
Mrs. Brunel, Ruma Fa.
Miss Stoddart, Ruma Toru.
Mrs. Gilead Land, Ruma Tahi.
Congratulations to all the Rere Award winners. Keep up the good work.
We've had some great weather here in Winton, which means we've been able to get outside and practice our athletics.
We sure have, Isaac. Let's hope the weather stays nice for our school athletics days coming up soon.
Do you know why it'll be extra fun?
No. Do we get to race the teachers? Mr. Reading looks pretty quick.
No, but I could take him. It's even better. It's going to be our first inter-house challenge of the year.
Oh yes. Tell me who won last year, Isaac?
That's so 2021. Let's move on. I think we should welcome our new staff members and find out what house they'll be in.
Sounds good. Drum roll, please.
Miss Hodson. Aditi.
Mr. Reading. Hokanui.
And Mrs. Reading. Oriti.
Now we know where everyone stands. It's game on for athletics.
The senior school is very proud to announce that they've elected our leaders for 2022.
It has been very exciting, Isaac. Let's meet them.
Your Upper Rima house leaders are Casey and Izzy.
Next, we have Hokanui leaders, Libby and Cameron.
Leading Oriti will be Ruby and Sam.
Your Takatimu house leaders are Tatiana and Oliver.
And trying to repeat this year with Waio will be Macy and Emma.
Congratulations to all of you. We are sure that you will be great role models for your house and our school.
We also have a number of other students who will be doing important jobs for us this year.
Congratulations to all the students who will be Winton ambassadors.
Their job is helping to build links with our community through things such as Meals on Wheels.
Well done to the members of our Tiki team. Their job includes assemblies and any other photo or video jobs around the school.
Here's our magazine team. We're looking forward to reading this at the end of the year.
When it reopens, you will see these students helping to organise the library. Well done.
And finally, we have a huge group of pals. Hopefully we'll see you organising games and fitness for us soon.
Congratulations to all our students who received leadership roles.
Well, I guess that brings us to the end. We made it. Let's hope that we get back on the stage soon.
Have a great weekend, Winton School. Don't forget tomorrow's a teacher only day, so we will see you on Monday.